Ekiga is a VoIP and video conferencing software for GNOME and Microsoft Windows. It is distributed as free software under the terms of the GNU General Public License. It was the default VoIP client in Ubuntu until October 2009, when it was replaced by Empathy. It is featuring call forwarding on busy, no answer, always, call transfer, call hold, DTMF support, basic instant messaging, text chat, message waiting indications, audio and video. Why choose Ekiga? Register with several registrars and gatekeepers simultaneously, and ability to use an outbound proxy or a gateway. It is a cloud-based software also supported in Mac, Windows, Linux, Android and iOS. Explore detailed product overview, and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all, at anytechtrial.com.